I've been looking for a way out.
Alright everybody, we are a couple miles away from Rawlins and we're at the rest area. He had to stop, so it is the, what is today? The 28th. So I haven't got anything for tomorrow yet. I just got off the phone trying to call to find out. It is about going on 4:40. So other than that, I told him I'll be ready tomorrow around noon, even though I'll be there tonight for my delivery.
Home. Messaging.
This load doesn't deliver until the 1st, but they say it's a live unload, which we never do live unload, so I don't know what I have for a live unload for the 1st. So of course my thing is, which I didn't get my dispatch, I don't even really know who I talked to unless it was Miguel, I don't know. But anyways, told him I'll be ready at 12 o'clock tomorrow. That way I'll be able to get a shock put on and a slack adjuster, because I'll be in the yard tonight since I'm going to drop the load. So other than that, that's it. We're in the yard. It is 2 o'clock. So I just got done taking a shower. Hopefully get my truck in the shop by 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. And like I said, it's really not that long of a situation to get my truck in and out. But if I get that asshole I got last time, then different story. But I won't even wait. I'll just keep on moving. But I'm gonna go relax for a little bit so I can get my ass up, see what's cracking with this. Hopefully they give me a load and we go from there. They finally opened the wash bay, so that's a good thing, I think, if it actually works.
I like when they cooperate like that.
Oh yeah. Alright everybody. Reality, I had a brand new trailer, a good trailer. I had to go put a shock on my truck. And within that time being, I got a load, so I had a load and I was getting the shock put on my truck. Well, someone decided to take my trailer off of my truck and give it to another driver. There's multiple trailers out here that the driver could have found the trailer. I'm just gonna cut it short. Stop being so damn lazy when it comes to looking for trailers. But I found one, which, whatever, I don't mind looking for a trailer when I don't have one. But this is what I have to do. I'm gonna grab this handy dandy and shoot all this crap out. As you can see, it just got out of the shop not that long ago. So they patched whatever on the side. Since forklift drivers tear these trailers up, and then I don't know what the hell that crap is, but yeah, I have a load going to Phoenix, Arizona. And then just as I got in this trailer to blow it out right before I start recording, they sent me another load that, because my load that picks up in that goes to Arizona doesn't pick up until tomorrow morning. But they gave me another load that picks up in Hyrum, Utah, picks up today and goes to San Bernardino, California. So, I don't know. But other than that, let's get this trailer cleaned up and see you guys shortly. Alright, so got done blowing it out. It kind of sucked. My the battery went dead towards the end, which normally I would have been done, but as you can see, got all that crap up except for this one little piece that I'm not able to get out because I don't got anything small enough or hard enough to get that out. But pretty clean. We got change of plans, of course, like always. We're picking up the load in Hyrum, Utah. It's a beef plant. We're picking that up today, and that goes to San Bernardino, California, but it doesn't deliver until the 1st. So we're gonna go pick it up. We have a T-call in Mariloma. We're gonna drop it there in the yard, pick up an empty trailer if we're lucky, pick up an empty. And then we got another load that picks up in Fresno, California. It picks up on the 1st. So it delivers in Portland, Oregon on the 2nd. It's only like 700-800 miles or whatnot. Loaded, but it's like a couple hours empty to go pick it up. So we need to the house tomorrow when we drop off this load, find it empty. Tomorrow should be there tonight, tomorrow early morning. That way I could drive to the house, spend at least a day or so there, and go pick up my next load. So we'll be in Cali on the 30th. We got until the 31st, or we got the 30th, 31st. So on the 31st, we'll leave the house and get to where we need to be on the 31st. That way, wherever we're picking up, I could actually pull it up, see what kind of place we're picking up from, see what kind of parking area is up there, and then go from there, because it doesn't pick up until 11:30. So we got until 11:30 to pick up the load from Fresno. Other than that, we are at our pickup, JBS. Stopped and got fuel. I didn't get DEF, the stupid fuel, the DEF pump didn't want to cooperate, so I said screw it. up, everybody? It is Sunday. I came to pick up my student from the motel room, and I was going to take him to the truck and have it parked at Walmart. Well, he's going to get another night for today. We're going to leave later tonight. That's why I told him we were going to leave like 9, 10, 11 o'clock. And then we're going to head out to our pickup and be there in the morning. Then once he realized the time frame, and the room got cheaper for tonight, so I'm going to take him to the store real quick, get him what he needs, and then drop him back off, and then go back to the house and try to get stuff done before I leave. What up, everybody? It is 1 o'clock in the morning. I am in Needles, California, and I'm waiting for my student right now to get out of the motel. I called him like 10 minutes or 5 minutes or so before I got here. I'm not sure if he's driving or if I'm just gonna run it. So other than that, we got 378 miles to go. It doesn't pick up until 11:30, so we'll be there early, and we don't know how long it's going to take them. The Qualcomm information says it's a light load, like 1,500 pounds, but in a way I hope it's a little bit heavier, but it is what it is. We'll find out when we get there. So until then,